Let's learn about snakes. A snake is a reptile with a long, thin body but no legs. Snakes smell with their tongues. At the roof of their mouth, they have something called a Jacobson's organ. The smell then goes from the tongue to the organ in their mouth. Some snakes can be very dangerous as they are venomous. They use their venom to kill their prey. The venom is made in their salivary glands and then gets pushed out through their fangs and into their prey. There are over 3,000 different species of snakes. Common types of snakes include king cobra, green anaconda, black mamba, reticulated python, and golden flying snake. Snakes can grow very long, which means they have hundreds of ribs. That's much more than humans. We only have 24 ribs. Snakes shed their skin between 4 and 12 times a year. This is because snakes are always growing, however, their skin doesn't grow with them. Their older layer of skin becomes too tight for them, and so they have to shed it. They then have a nice new layer of skin underneath. Snakes can't hear sounds like us. They use a bone called a quadrate, which is attached to their jaw. This is used to sense vibrations. Snakes can travel really fast, but the black mamba is the fastest. It can travel up to 12 miles per hour. The longest snake is the reticulated python, which is over 6 meters long. Snakes are carnivores. They don't have eyelids. Snakes can't bite food, so have to swallow it whole. They have flexible jaws, which allow them to eat prey bigger than their head. They then digest their prey with their strong stomach acid. Snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. They have internal ears but not external ones. Some sea snakes can breathe partially through their skin, allowing for longer dives underwater. A group of snakes is called a pit, bed, den, or nest.